Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing. Wake up.
Ooh, okay, I got it. Cheers.
Cheers!
You want to do one of those sniff? Alright, cheers. Thank you. Cheers. Oh my gosh, okay. I need to take my Pepsi too. I'll get the Asian gloves on. Thank you.
He likes the lime ones better. Keep it icy.
Alright. What was the other song I heard? Hard to Love. Alright, so we're gonna do Hard to Love. And then I'm gonna go back and get ready, okay? We'll have fun tonight, we'll have fun. So.
Mark, look at my camera. Chaser.
I only know the Cheetos. Do I want the extra spicy or the lime? I want both. The lime? Okay. What? You said you wanted to try to give me both?
Yeah.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you for the shot. See you guys later.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood.